Holy blimey, folks! It's coronavirus day 534. Still phase 3. Day 44. And it's gone even worse with even more higher coronavirus cases. Close to like 850. With the 835 coronavirus cases today. So this is the high jump since June 4th, though. Yeah, so that's so so it's basically close to 2 months ago as cases. So yeah. So of course, most of these coronavirus cases reported out of the 835 are non-vaccinated, obviously. So, for some reason, they're not showing coronavirus cases. Like, well, what region is like the top high affected region for today? But however, like, what we do have is so 7 deaths have been reported, but 6 out of 7, the majority of them have been occurred last 2 months. So yeah, due to technical difficulties. And no. No variant updates for some reason. They always do this for the weekend for the last past weeks. I don't know why, but yeah. And so, anyways, vaccine bookings and phase 3 and phase 4 information down below. Let's skip over to So it has to do with wave 4 of coronavirus in Canada. So and they mentioned so provinces and territories are now reporting on more than 3,000 new coronavirus cases every day, which is very alarming. So Friday marked the highest daily case increase since May 24th of this year, with 2,555. And also Wednesdays and Thursdays, the cases were also above 3,000. So that's trouble. So over the past week, over 20,000 new cases were reported since May 31st. So currently with hospitalization, with these cases, most of this is from British Columbia, Alberta, Ontario, and Quebec. So this is like the super high increase than than any point of the pandemic since March 13th, 2020. So also hospitalizations have also increased as well. So Thursday also marked the third time that since June that the more than 1,000 patients were reported in hospitals across the country. So as of Friday, the number has climbed to 1,046. So, and who knows? We might have, say, hospitals fill up in a certain province, like, and they would have to resort to having to transfer patients to another neighboring province, like Manitoba did to with months ago they had did transfer patients into hospitals in Ontario, like North Bay, Sudbury, Sault Ste. Marie, London, Windsor, and other hospitals that wasn't too close to Toronto. So although the 7-day average the 900 about that much, but this means this is no joke, and hospitalizations are increasing. However, death, yeah. That has been hard to track and quantify. Some province, and which mostly Ontario and Quebec have reported all the fatalities that occurred earlier in the pandemic due to data correction, due to technical difficulties. But there has been an uptick of like waves and also people are dying during the summer because of course of an average number had gone increased to double digits, and 26 deaths were reporting on Friday, 17 of them in Ontario alone. And of course, the raising cases, they mentioned, like I said, British Columbia, Alberta, Ontario, and Quebec. So which have matched the levels of daily counts way back in April. So when wave 3 and was still going on, and things were like really serious, and yeah. In the Northwest Territories, where the case count has tripled this month, actually. And British Columbia reinstated indoor mask mandates and ordered new curbs on gatherings and business. And in British Columbia, like a lot of people are like they're requesting stricter school protection rules for coronavirus because they don't want to protect the children. So yeah. Though also Manitoba is also doing a mask mandate. So it's actually being good that people are getting vaccinated, fully vaccinated actually by now. Although some healthcare, some people do believe who are also disease specialists say, oh, it's going to get worse, and yeah, for sure it's going to get worse. Well, if we don't do something about it, we're dead. And then, and when wave 4 could get even worse than it already is. Looking at provinces and territories that having a higher cases than the usual. So yeah. $343 people are hospitalized with the coronavirus. 162 in ICU. And 8, which is a +4, and 87 ICU patients using a ventilator. It's a big narrow down. No long-term care home death reports today, though. Now, just follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations and face 3 rules. Be careful due to the India variant and due to wave 4. The less people are sick, the better. Get vaccinated if you can.